Welcome back to another episode. It's only a quick one. I'm flying solo. I'm a dad, I've got a little lad, and I've got a little lady here. So we're down here at Port Bouvard. We're staying in one of the chalets here in the marina. Highly recommend it. We're gonna try our hands, see if we can get a little cheeky crab. So we're just gonna drop them off the jetty here and see what we can do. I haven't got high hopes, but the kids are super excited, so that's what it's all about. So I've knocked off work early, down here for a couple of days, so if we get some crabs, I'll take you along. Righto guys, so we got the old Coles chicken wings.
Chicken wings!
We've got a bait hook, so we're just going to put them on the bait hook. Stabbing yourself in the hand is always handy. We're just going to go a couple of wings.
Yeah.
Lock it up.
The crab will love it.
Well, let's hope so. Yeah. I always put the bait in the middle of the net, just in case. You want the crabs to come right into the middle, because if they're on the outside and you lift the net up, you don't want them to flip out. So always put your bait in the middle. So gonna drop the net in. Hopefully you can see we put the bait right in the middle. We're going to drop this net over. We're going to do 10-minute pulls. Not sure if we're going to get much, but if we do, I'll show you guys how to measure them, how to hold them, and yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully we get a few.
Dad?
All right, ready to drop it in, kids?
Yeah.
Ready?
Let me get something good. A blue crab.
First pull after 10 big minutes. More bream. Alright guys, first catch. It's definitely not a crab.
It's squishy.
It's a little bream.
I want to hold him.
You got him, boy? Pick him up, boy. Oh, slippery. Slippery. Alright, now show us what we got.
We got a bream.
We got a little bream in the crab net.
Can I hold him? You have to hold him like that.
There you go. Just like that.
Can I put him in?
First fish.
No.
Let's go.
Go. Yeah! And two. No. Put him back. Ah, he's wiggling.
Alright. Now we're lucking out with the crabs, but the kids are having so much fun. Netting these little bream. Oh, that's a pink snapper.
Can I hold him? Snappy.
Let me Dad grab that.
That's gonna yank him. Daddy, can I?
So the kids are having so much fun with these. And look at this. We've picked up, I'm hoping the light can pick it up. We picked up a little pink snapper.
I'm just gonna put it
Little pink snapper in the crab net. You want to throw it back, Sienna?
Yeah.
Now nicely, gently.
Ah.
He's going to grow into a big snapper.
Bye.
How good? Are you having fun?
He's really good.
We got a little bream. Look at all them fish.
Oh my god.
Oh good.
How many bream?
Oh, one just fell over.
1, 2, 4 bream. No crab. It's basically a fish trap.
5, because one fell off.
5.
Can I just
It's basically a
put them
fish trap. Yeah, mate.
So Sina just has to watch. I'm eating.
Little bream.
No.
How good.
But is that a...
Righto guys, that is us. We're signing out for the night. Kids are out. They're asleep. Fortunately, we got nothing in the old crab nets crab-wise, but seeing a pink snapper in a crab net it's definitely a first for me all these years. So goes to show you how plentiful this little ecosystem is down here. So tomorrow we're planning to go fish across the other side, so and drop a crab net. It's very hard to get the old winter blue manners, but we get anything, we'll take you guys with us. Cheers. Righto guys, day number 2. No crabs last night. I don't think we're going to do too well today. The storm's coming through about every 20 minutes. But I got these 2 rigs who just keep pestering me to crab and fish. So I'm going to try fish over the other side in between the rain. But we're going to drop the old crab nets. Send it away, young fella. Nice and gently, son. Very good. Alright. We'll see what we get. We'll see how we go. So, the elusive blue manna crab in winter. I don't like our chances today. Righto, guys. Despite this very average weather, we've come down to the point, and there is a heap of massive pot of dolphins down here. So. Might be hard for the old GoPro to pick it up, and apologies for the wind noise, but there's a big pot of dolphins out there, probably about 20 the kids have seen. So I can't recommend this place enough. Port Bouvard Marina Chalets, get the kids down here. It is absolutely blowing a gale, the weather is terrible, and we're still having a good time. So it doesn't get much closer than that, guys, unless you're in the water. There he is. How fun is that, kids? How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? The weather's crappy, but if you still get out and do something, you get this. Hey guys, so this is what it's all about. I hope you can hear us because the wind is pumping, but this is what Dads and Lads is all about. I got my little lady, little lad, getting out, reset and forget, and yeah, weather conditions are crap, but we're still getting out there, and we just got rewarded seeing all these dolphins. So Righto guys, that is us, unfortunately. They've just issued a severe weather warning for Perth, so Perth Peel area, so yeah, it's probably not ideal to be outside. So unfortunately no crabs. The old winter blue manna's proven very hard to get. But seeing a pink snapper last night and seeing the dolphins this morning was pretty good for the old kids. So they're still having a blast. So they're going to pack it up and watch some movies inside. If you want to know where we're at, link will be in the description below. If not, flick us a comment, flick us a DM on socials. Me and Luke have got a big trip coming up on the 31st. Open invite, guys. We're heading down to Logbrook Dam, doing some trout fishing, doing some redfin fishing. So if you want to get on board with that, man, more the merrier. So hit us up on socials, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.